What's up, you guys? It's your girl Chef K. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be making a plantain foster. Not a banana foster, a plantain foster. So let's get straight into the video.
So the first thing you want to do is get you a ripe plantain, and if it's not ripe, then put it in a brown paper bag and let it ripen up. And then we're just going to cut it in half and then cut it down the middle, so we'll have like 4 pieces to work with. Now this recipe comes together super fast. I love me a good quick recipe because nobody want to be in the kitchen all day. So next we're just going to add some butter to a saute pan and make sure this is on medium-low heat and just melt that down. Then we're going to add in our brown sugar, our cinnamon, our vanilla, and just stir that together. Now for this recipe, make sure to use light brown sugar. I started off with dark brown sugar and I didn't like how it was looking, so I just swapped it out to light brown sugar. Now we're just going to stir this around for about 3 minutes until it comes together, and then we're going to add in our plantains. And what do you guys say? Do you say plantains or plantains? I don't know. I feel like growing up in New York, I'm not Caribbean, but I just learned to say plantains. I never say plantain. Anyway, we're going to cook these on each side for 5 minutes, and then we're going to flip it. This looks so good already, and we're not even done yet. We're almost done, but we're not done. Anyway, we're going to move on to the next step. I'm going to show you guys my favorite coconut rum. Oh my god, if you haven't had this Rum Haven coconut rum, it goes so crazy. No, they're not paying me to say this. I wish they were. Then we're just going to pour the coconut rum over the plantains and flambe it using a blowtorch. You can just tilt the side of the pan at this point if you want, if you don't have a blowtorch, and make sure that the heat is on high when you torch it. Then we're just going to let the fire die out. It should take like under 2 minutes and then you're good. And then we're left with this nice rich sauce. Look how good this looks, y'all. I love me some Haagen-Dazs and I love me some Talenti. Correct me if I'm saying that properly. I don't know how to pronounce it. Talenti. But yeah, so we're just going to scoop this vanilla bean ice cream into a bowl, and then we're going to top it with our plantains that we just made. And then we're going to drizzle that sauce over it, and it's going to go crazy. So crazy. So this is how it came out. It looks mad good. Like, it looks like everything. It was so hard for me to not eat this whole thing.
This is so good.
I don't want to get copyrighted, so I'm gonna just talk over this, but it was slapping. Thank y'all for tuning in and checking out this recipe with me. I hope you guys try it. Let me know down in the comments what you want to see next. And yeah, subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Later.
What you drinking?